Okay. Number 8. Total number of Cittas, of which there are 89 or 121. The 89 Lokiya Cittas, together with 8 Lokuttara Cittas, or Vipassana Yanika way, make up 89 Cittas in the brief method. Or, if we combine 81 Lokiya Cittas with 40 Lokuttara Cittas, or Samatha Yanika way, we get 121 Cittas in the broad method. Number 9. Asobana Cittas, or not beautiful consciousnesses, of which there are 30. They comprise 12 Akusala Cittas and 18 Ahetuka Cittas. The Akusala Cittas are, quote, not beautiful, or asobana, because they are associated with evil roots, namely lobha, or greed, dosa, or hatred, and moha, or delusion. The ahetuka cittas are regarded as, quote, not beautiful, or asobana, because they are not associated with wholesome roots, namely alobha, or generosity, adosa, or goodwill, and amoha, or wisdom. Number 10. Sobana Cittas, or beautiful consciousnesses, of which there are 59 or 91. If we subtract 30 Asobana Cittas from 89 Cittas, we obtain 59 Sobana Cittas. Or, if we subtract 30 Asobana Cittas from 121 Cittas, we get 91 Sobana Cittas. Sobana Cittas are associated with beautiful roots. Number 11. Jhana Cittas, or of which there are 67. The 27 Mahagata Cittas are known as the Lokiya Jhana Cittas. Combining these with the 40 Lokuttara Jhana Cittas, we get 67 Jhana Cittas. Among these, there are 11 first Jhana Cittas, 11 second Jhana Cittas, 11 third Jhana Cittas, 11 fourth Jhana Cittas, and 23 fifth Jhana Cittas. These can easily be counted from the chart number 1. Note that there are 3 first Jhana Cittas in the Mahagata Cittas and 8 first Jhana Cittas in Lokuttara Cittas. Together they make up 11 first Jhana Cittas. The second, the third, and the fourth Jhana Cittas are counted in the same way. In counting the fifth Jhana Cittas, all the 12 Arupavachara Cittas are included in the count. Thus we get 11 plus 12, which equals 23 fifth Jhana Cittas. Number 12. Division according to jati, or birth. The Cittas are divided into 4 classes according to jati: akusala, kusala, vipaka, and kriya Cittas. By looking at chart number 1, we can divide the 54 Kamavachara Cittas into 12 Akusala Cittas, 8 Kusala Cittas, 23 Vipaka Cittas, and 11 Kriya Cittas according to birth. The 23 Vipaka Cittas are collectively known as Kama Vipaka Cittas, and the 11 Kriya Cittas are known as the Kama Kriya Cittas. Furthermore, the 27 Mahagata Cittas can be divided into 9 Kusala Cittas, 9 Vipaka Cittas, and 9 Kriya Cittas according to jati. These groups of Cittas, also referred to as 9 Mahagata Kusala Cittas, 9 Mahagata Vipaka Cittas, and 9 Mahagata Kriya Cittas. The 81 Lokiya Cittas can be divided into 12 Akusala Cittas, 17 kusala cittas, 32 vipaka cittas, and 20 kriya cittas, according to jati. The latter groups of cittas, being lokiya, are respectively known as 17 lokiya kusala cittas, 32 lokiya vipaka cittas, and 20 lokiya kriya cittas, respectively. Now, the 89 cittas, or brief total, can be divided into 12 akusala cittas, 21 kusala cittas, 36 vipaka cittas, and 20 kriya cittas. The 121 cittas, or broad total, can be divided into 12 akusala cittas, 37 kusala cittas, 52 vipaka cittas, and 20 kriya cittas, according to birth, or jati. Number 13. Division according to Vedana, or feeling. There are 5 types of Vedana, which are designated by separate symbols in chart number 1 as number 1, Somanasa, or pleasant mental feeling. Number 2, Domanasa, or painful mental feeling.
Could you say,
the symbol?
Yes, symbol.
Sorry.
Somanasa plus sign.
Somanasa is symbolized by a plus sign and means pleasant mental feeling. Domanasa is symbolized by an asterisk and means painful mental feeling. Sukha is symbolized by a V and means pleasant bodily feeling. Dukkha is symbolized by a caret sign and symbolizes painful bodily feeling. Upekkha is symbolized by a minus sign and means neutral feeling. In chart number 1, we shall notice that the 8 lokuttara cittas, i.e. 4 maggas and 4 phalas, are designated by the dual symbol of plus minus, indicating that they may be associated with either somanasa or upekkha. The 40 lokuttara cittas can be, however, differentiated by Vedana. We can make a table, see table 1.1, for dividing separate groups of cittas according to Vedana. In the 54 kamavachara cittas, there are 18 somanasa, 2 domanasa, 32 upekkha, 1 sukha, and 1 dukkha cittas. In the 81 lokiya cittas, there are 30 somanasa, 2 domanasa, 47 upekkha, 1 sukha, and 1 dukkha cittas. Finally, in the 121 total cittas, there are 62 somanasa, 2 domanasa, 55 upekkha, 1 sukha, and 1 dukkha cittas. Table 1.1. Classification of cittas according to feeling. Table 1.1. Classification of cittas according to feeling. Name of citta. Akusala has 4 somanasa, 2 domanasa, 6 upekkha, 0 sukha, 0 dukkha, for 12 total cittas. Ahetuka citta has 2 domanasa, 2 somanasa, 0 domanasa, 14 upekkha, 1 sukha, and 1 dukkha, for 18 total cittas. Kama sobana cittas have 12 somanasa cittas, 0 domanasa, 12 upekkha, no sukha, and no dukkha, for 24 total cittas. Kama cittas have 18 somanasa, 2 domanasa, 32 upekkha, 1 sukha, 1 dukkha, for 54 total cittas. Mahagata cittas have 12 somanasa, 0 domanasa, 15 upekkha, 0 sukha, and 0 dukkha, for 27 total cittas. Lokiya Cittas have 30 Somanasa, 2 Domanasa, 47 Upeka, 1 Sukha, 1 Dukkha, for 81 total Cittas. Lokuttara Cittas have 32 Somanasa, no Domanasa, 8 Upeka, 0 Sukha, and 0 Dukkha, for 40 total Cittas. In total, there are 62 Somanasa Cittas, 2 Domanasa Cittas, 55 Upeka Cittas, 1 Sukha Cittas, and 1 Dukkha Cittas, for 121 total Cittas. Key. Lokiya Cittas. Uchatusata, Sotimsa, Dodwa, Sudu Ek. Total Cittas.
Upensese,
Upensese, Sochadwe, Dodwe, Sudu Ek.
correct. Thank you.
Yes, no problem.